slidesgo.com for AI presentations. And with this tool, you will be able to download presentations in PPT format, in PPTX format. You can see AI lesson plan generator, AI quiz generator. I will create a presentation, AI presentation maker. Now, on which topic I want to create a AI presentation on which domain? For example, I want to create okay a presentation like artificial intelligence and use cases of artificial intelligence and IoT in medical and health sector. For example, this is my work. Okay, how many slides I want to take? 7 to 14 or 14 to 28. Okay, we can specify. If I want to give my own content, for example, my own PDF is there. I can give my own doc file is there. I can give. Otherwise, it will take data automatically. Get started. What is theme? Okay, which particular theme I want to take? This any theme we can take. For example, this particular theme. Continue. Now it is generating that particular PPT. I am not taking content from Wikipedia, I am not taking content from Google. It will automatically take the content. Okay, and you can see that images will be taken automatically, text will be taken automatically, and finally you will be given PPT file. You will be able to edit that file, that will be editable PPT. Okay, in PPTX format. Okay, now you can see that generate presentation. So I have given only topic and a number of slides. Rest it will do automatically. Okay, I have given topic, I have specified number of slides and theme, and depending upon that, I will get the content, I will get the presentation, and I will show you that presentation which is getting generated. I will be able to download. Now you can see it is done. Download. Okay, download, and you can see that this one AI use cases, it is downloading now, and once it is done, then I will show you. I will open this presentation. Okay, now you can see that it is downloading. Once it is done, then I will open it, and I will show you that it will be editable. It will be in PPTX format. It is not in PDF format, because many tools give presentation in PDF format, non-editable, but this platform is giving you editable PPT. Okay, editable file. Simply specify your topic. If you have some documents, you can upload. Otherwise, it will take data automatically from its large language model, its LLM, whatever database is already available, it will take. Now you can see that how much rigorous presentation is getting created and it will be done. Okay, once it is complete, then I will show you. Is this visible to all participants? Is this process visible to all participants? Kindly confirm.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, okay, so it is downloading, and once it is complete, then I will open this presentation. I think that it is almost done. Now done. Okay, now I am opening it. So you can see that now I am showing it in full screen mode. This is first slide, AI in medical diagnostic. So this image is also taken automatically by that software. This one, medical imaging, disease detection and diagnosis. This image is also taken
Is
automatically.
it having any limitation in
So
usages?
you can see IoT in healthcare, remote patient monitoring, real-time health data collection and analysis. So all of these content. So only this last slide I will have to change, in which name and contact number, whatever you want to share, you can specify. Okay, you can see that it is editable. So if I want to edit anything, if I want to change anything, that can be done. Now you can see that in few seconds, depending upon our internet speed, we are able to generate a presentation. Simply specify your topic. Whether your topic is social topic or technical topic, or related to management, commerce, education, pure applied sciences, whatever it is, you will be able to create it. Okay, slidesgo.com. Okay, so you can see that simply specify your topic, AI presentation maker, and select number of slides, how many slides you want to take. Okay, informative, detailed, rigorous slides. Specify your topic, upload your documents. If you don't want to upload document, simply specify your topic, specify your prompt. Okay, this thing should be there, that thing should be there, and select your theme, it will be done.